Imagine waking up each morning feeling completely calm, centered, and ready to take on the day with clarity and focus. Now imagine getting through your busy schedule without being frazzled or reactive. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, it's entirely possible, and it all starts with understanding the science of peace within your own brain. In this video, we'll dive into the neuroscience of inner peace, exploring why constant stress leaves us feeling drained and disconnected, and what we can do to cultivate a sense of calm amidst the chaos. We'll teach you practical techniques grounded in science that will empower you to transform your life by achieving lasting peacefulness. So if you're ready to prioritize your mental well-being and learn how to train your brain for lasting calmness, then keep watching. We've got some life-changing insights waiting for you. Neuroscience of peace, why it matters. Before we delve into our practical tips, let's grasp why inner peace is crucial for our overall well-being. Our brains are complex, constantly bombarded with stimuli. When faced with perceived threats or challenges, our brain's primal survival instincts kick in, triggering the fight-or-flight response. This response floods our body with stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, preparing us to either confront the danger or flee from it. While this reaction is essential for survival in acute situations, it becomes problematic when it's chronically activated. Chronic stress keeps our brain in a perpetual state of alertness, making it difficult to relax and be fully present in our lives. This constant tension takes a toll on both our mental and physical health, affecting everything from our sleep to our immune system. That's why cultivating inner peace is vital. By learning to soothe our nervous system and activate our brain's relaxation response, we can break free from the cycle of stress and enter a state of calm, clarity, and balance. And the best part is this: our brain is incredibly adaptable. Through consistent practice, we can rewire our brain to access peacefulness effortlessly. What happens in your brain when you're stressed? To effectively manage stress and cultivate inner peace, it's essential to understand the physiological processes that occur in our body when we're stressed. Let's explore what happens in your brain when you encounter stressful situations. The amygdala, an almond-shaped structure deep within our brain, plays a pivotal role in processing emotions, particularly fear and anxiety. When faced with a perceived threat, the amygdala activates the fight-or-flight response by sending signals to the hypothalamus, the brain's command center for basic functions. The hypothalamus then triggers the release of stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol, into the bloodstream. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, causes physical changes like increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and rapid breathing. It prepares our body to confront the perceived danger or run away from it. Cortisol, on the other hand, is a glucocorticoid hormone that suppresses non-essential functions, diverting energy to immediate needs. It increases blood sugar levels and provides a boost of energy to help us deal with the stressful situation at hand. These physiological changes are designed to protect us and help us cope with challenging situations. However, when we're stuck in a state of chronic stress, these responses can become problematic. Prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol and other stress hormones can have detrimental effects on our mental and physical health, including increased risk of anxiety and depression, weakened immune system, disrupted sleep patterns, and even damage to our cardiovascular system. Understanding these processes helps us recognize the signs of stress in our body and seek strategies to calm our nervous system and restore balance. By implementing techniques to reduce stress, such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, or engaging in relaxing activities, we can mitigate the negative impacts of stress and promote overall well-being. How to rewire your brain for inner peace. Now that we understand the science behind stress and its impact on our brain, let's explore practical techniques to rewire our brain for inner peace. The key lies in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to modify and adapt its structure and function. By consistently practicing techniques that promote relaxation and calmness, we can actually change the way our brain processes stress and emotions. One highly effective method is mindfulness meditation. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to decrease the size of the amygdala, the brain region associated with stress and anxiety, while increasing activity in areas responsible for attention and emotional regulation. During mindfulness meditation, we focus our attention on the present moment without judgment. This practice helps train our brain to observe thoughts and feelings without reacting impulsively, fostering a sense of detachment and inner peace. Another powerful tool is deep breathing. When we focus on our breath, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the stress response. Deep, slow breaths stimulate the vagus nerve, triggering the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which promote relaxation and well-being. Setting aside just 5 to 10 minutes for deep breathing exercises daily can significantly reduce stress levels and enhance our ability to find calmness in everyday situations. Additionally, engaging in activities that bring us joy and relaxation, such as spending time in nature, practicing yoga or listening to soothing music, can also contribute to rewiring our brain for peace. These activities activate reward centers in the brain, releasing feel-good hormones and creating positive associations with relaxation. Cultivating inner peace is a journey that requires patience and consistent effort. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine and committing to them over time, we can gradually transform our brain's response to stress. Remember, small changes can lead to profound transformations. Embrace the process and celebrate every step towards a more peaceful and balanced life. The power of breathing in rewiring your brain. Breathing might seem like a simple, automatic process, but it holds immense power in rewiring your brain for lasting peace. Your breath is the bridge between your body and your brain, influencing your emotional state and level of calmness. When you take deep, slow breaths, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digest functions. This system counteracts the stress response in your body, helping you relax and feel more at ease. Here's how it works. Each time you inhale, your diaphragm, a large dome-shaped muscle in your chest cavity, contracts and moves downward. This creates a negative pressure in your chest cavity, allowing your lungs to expand and draw in air. As the air fills your lungs, they expand in all directions, stretching the lung tissue. This expansion triggers stretch receptors in the lungs and airways to send signals to your brain. These signals travel along the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in your body, to the brainstem and then to higher regions of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for rational thinking, decision-making, and emotional regulation. When this area of the brain becomes active due to your deep breaths, it promotes a sense of calmness and clarity. Additionally, deep breathing stimulates the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation and create feelings of well-being and contentment. By focusing on your breath, you can trigger these physiological processes and activate your brain's relaxation response. Even just a few minutes of focused, deep breathing can help you reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and promote a sense of inner peace. How to implement the peace practice in daily life. Now that you understand the neuroscience of inner peace and the power of your breath, let's discuss how to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to rewiring your brain for peace. Start your day with a 5-minute deep breathing exercise. Set an alarm for the morning and dedicate the first 5 minutes to yourself. Find a quiet space, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe deeply and slowly, counting to 5. Inhale with your belly, not your chest, and exhale, counting to 5 again. This will activate your parasympathetic nervous system and set a calm tone for the rest of the day. Practice mindfulness throughout the day. Whether you're at work, home, or out with friends, make an effort to bring your focus back to the present moment. When you notice your mind wandering into the future or past, gently bring your attention back to your surroundings. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations around you. This can help you find moments of peace amidst the busyness of daily life. Take mindful breaks. Even 2 minutes of focused attention on your breath can reset your nervous system. Close your eyes, count your breath for 30 seconds, and allow any tension to melt away. Commit to peace. Finding inner peace is a worthwhile endeavor that can bring numerous benefits to your life. Not only will you experience reduced stress and anxiety, but you'll also enjoy improved focus, clarity of mind, and emotional stability. This journey of self-discovery and transformation can lead to a deeper connection with yourself and those around you. As you cultivate inner peace, you'll find yourself becoming more resilient in the face of challenges, better equipped to handle life's ups and downs with grace and composure. It's an investment in your overall well-being that will pay dividends in every aspect of your life. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit from these insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward lasting peace and inner calm. May you find tranquility in the midst of life's chaos and discover the profound impact it can have on your overall well-being. Until next time, may you be filled with peace and serenity.